How to create an app shortcut on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. From here, you need to open Shortcuts. Once you are in, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, tap on Open Apps. After that, tap on Apps. Here, you will see a list of applications on your iPhone. Tap on any of it to add. Now, tap on the Open App button at the top of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear on your screen. Select Add to Home Screen option from the menu. Here, you can customize the color of your shortcut and even rename it. You can also change the icon of the folder. Once you're done, tap on Add at the top right corner. Now, you can find the shortcuts on your home screen. Tap on the new shortcut. You can access the app right from this shortcut. So by following these simple steps, you can easily create an app shortcut on iPhone.